Hey guys, so I came to the beach today to take content, to create content, and just to unwind. Yes, I know I am very dark, sunburned, and I'm using a very stupid sunscreen that I'm going to change the sun. Yes, we know.
Me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my
So I'm here. I want to change to a second outfit. I already took a picture, but I already took a picture rather with this outfit. I'm going to change to the next one, and then I am going to take the next pictures. I'll be doing this one inside the pool. Love you guys. Bye. Hello. This is day 2 of learning how to swim. Self-taught. Right.
He doesn't see us. You're not thinking of me, boy.
Why did I do videos like this? Mind you. So you're going to be featuring my YouTube channel for the second time.
Think about shit that I should've known. So I tell him it's one of me. He making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me. Like that boy is a cap. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like, but he blowing her back. Think about me, cause you know that it's fat.
Hey guys, so today I have a community hangout that's supposed to start at 4 p.m. and this is just 12 minutes past 4. I don't know if I can make it before 5. So like it's just for us to go talk, just get to know each other better and eat. Yes, eat. That's what I want to go. Eat. So I'll show you guys the full outfit when I get to the location. And I just finished dressing up and just need to do some and by the way, I just got back from a shoot last night. Sorry, this early morning. So I had to sleep. I couldn't go to church. I had to sleep. And yes, I woke up and I thought, oh, instead of just not doing anything, why not just go? Because I was not going to go before. I was planning not to go before. But since I woke up on time, yes, and I decided to go. Yes, and my skin is clearing, getting brighter, and I'm adding some weight. See, look at my neck. My neck is getting fuller. If you don't see it, I don't know what you're seeing. And yes, if you're new to my channel, guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you already know, or if you're part of my family for the longest time, please do not to like, comment, share. If you don't subscribe. I'll take that again. Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube, to my